Siksang Taytay. My name is Levi Marcos Arzadon, 38 years old. I am from District 3, Kawayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I am happily married and blessed to have one son, 4 years old, and 3 daughters aged 8, 7, and 17 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are singing, cooking, reading books, and gardening. My expertise are take good care of newborn baby, toddlers, and children. I work as a domestic helper in my first employer in Qatar in 5 months from October 2011 to March 2012. I didn't finish my contract because they want me to forward to another employer. I served one couple aged 21 and 22 years old. To my second employer, I work as a domestic helper in Qatar for 2 years and 1 month from March 2012 to April 2014. I serve a female widow and 2 teenagers aged 18 and 17 years old. My duties are cleaning, ironing, and washing clothes. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and savings money for the future of my children. I'm willing to take good care of elderly and a newborn baby. I can sing also a nursery song like the wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemate because I'm a hardworking, honest, caring, and obedient. I am promised to be a good housemate and I'm promised to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.